this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. And also the author of the #1 best-selling cookbook, the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook for Beginners. And today what I want to talk to you about is frozen cauliflower. Frozen cauliflower actually features in our cookbook. And what's so interesting about it is that the ingredients that went over the frozen cauliflower was decided on by our food stylist. And it got me thinking about all the different ways that you could actually season some cauliflower. So I can show you how to cook the frozen cauliflower and then you can make it your own. It's just absolutely amazing for that. I've also found myself in that situation where you open a bag of something frozen, then you forget about it and you open another bag and you end up with a couple of bags on the go of something, and it's a great way to use them up and cook them in the air fryer. So open up your air fryer basket. Oh my, have you seen the bottom of mine now? It's getting a bit scruffy underneath. It's because I love the Philips so much, I use it all the time. So then I'm going to start with a small bag, get it used up, and then make a start on the other one. But the only problem really that I find with frozen cauli is the fact that they're all different sizes. So some of them are going to be slightly under and some of them slightly over. And that a big bit of cauliflower. That is just amazing, size on that. And then I'm not going to bother with the scraggly bits in the bottom because they'll just end up overcooking. And then on with my other bag. See what I've got in here for you. Oop. Now seriously, that little piece there, that would burn. Right, so let's find some more. What have we got in here? It's like Lucky Dip for different sizes that you get. Well, there's another big one. And then what have we got there? Them two bits are too small. So there you go. So now you're going to start by cooking them. You know, so that you're essentially defrosting them and then starting the cooking process. And then they won't be crispy and yummy at this point because you haven't added anything to them. But you're starting off the cooking process. So air fryer in, 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and you're looking for a cook time of 15 minutes, and then press start. And we've beat. Shall we check on the cauli? And wow, that is the cauliflower already. And this is what I'm talking about it being not equal sizes when you buy these frozen veg. The only frozen veg that I've found that you don't have to worry about is sprouts because it's always the same size. But look at this broccoli, for example. Perfect crispiness there on these smaller bits, and then you look at that bit, it just looks like it's got a bit of anemia. So what you do now, spray it with some olive oil. And then for seasonings, it's totally personal choice, but I recommend everybody should start with some good old salt and pepper. And then, let me show you my seasonings basket. This is what I take with me whenever we're doing videos. And there's a great collection here. So this can kind of give you an idea of the kind of seasonings that you can do on your own cauliflower. For example, if you wanted curry, we've got medium curry powder and we've got some ground cumin, we've got smoked paprika, we've got coriander leaf, which in the US you call cilantro, rosemary, some garlic, fajita seasoning. Oh, that is just so nice. I've obviously got some ginger in for some sweet treats, and then you could just keep it simple with some oregano or some mustard or some of our steak seasoning. It's just totally up to you with which seasonings you would rather use. I'm going to show you today, let me decide, oregano. Oregano is always great for so many different things. So let's do some oregano sprinkles. So I love these tubs because I can just use the lid for the seasonings and it saves getting an extra bowl out. And then you can have a sprinkling of your cauliflower. You can do the same here with any frozen vegetable that you cook in the air fryer. And it's just perfect for it. And I'll get some more on that bigger one there, look. And then it can go back on. I normally do 12 minutes, but the problem you've got there is these little pieces here are going to end up over. So I'm going to start with 6 minutes. And then if need be, what you can actually do is you can remove your smaller ones just to be on the safe side. So I'm just going to go with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit and do another 6 minutes. And we've beeped. Shall we check on the collie? And wow, isn't that looking fantastic? But again, I think it needs a little bit longer. So this is the time when I pull out the tinier ones, because as you can see, they're getting too dark now. So if you look at that, it's getting too much colour on it. You could have taken these out earlier, by the way, if you prefer. But that's also why I try and aim for them of a similar size, because this is what happens. And I like showing you what goes wrong in the air fryer as well, so that you can see. So then if you look at that, as you can see, you could do cauliflower steaks in the air fryer as well with these. So that's that one. So it's just really that rogue one. I think that shows you what it's like when they're really, really big in there. So I'm just going to put this back on just for 2 minutes. There's not much in the air fryer basket, so it won't need more than that. And we've beeped. Wow, this cauliflower is looking so much better now. Oh, and look at that. I just love the look of that cauliflower. It looks absolutely fantastic. Just absolutely brilliant. So, let me plate all that lot up. I can show you a close-up of the cauliflower. Oh, wow. Isn't that amazing? That is cooked cauliflower from frozen in the air fryer. Oh, and my favourite bits are the little crispy ones because they're just so delicious, and the crisp on them is just amazing. Oh, that cauliflower, it's just perfect. And if you love crispy cauliflower, great. If you don't, then you can do it for a little bit less, and you've got like cauliflower steaks. It's just amazing, and just an easy vegetable and cooked from frozen in your air fryer. And don't forget to order yourself a copy of the complete air fryer cookbook, available now on Amazon and a lot of popular retailers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, as well as following us on Pinterest and Facebook and joining our Facebook group. We are also on TikTok now, so don't forget to follow us at TikTok /recipethis.